Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index in front of us. And as you can see that the overall structure of DXY is still the same. There is not many changes. Yesterday, DXY was trading around 101.50 and we were hoping that there would be some kind of resistance around 102, and we can see that right now DXY is struggling to cross the resistance at the top here. The wedge pattern that we spotted a couple of days ago is still very much valid, and as we all know it very well, that falling wedge is a trend reversal pattern. So in the coming days, there is a possibility that we may get to see some good amount of recovery or signs of trend reversal. But as we know, my dear friends, that we need the news, we need a fundamental factor to have a trend reversal on a chart, and right now we don't have yet. And if we look at the for our economic calendar, then you can see that today we do not have any news, so we can expect that the volatility of the market to remain normal, that is going on in the market right now. Last week was crazy week. We had many events. We got to see crazy amount of volatility, but thank God, okay, yesterday was normal, today also seems to be normal, so hopefully we can expect normal volatility. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter, and here is our beloved gold. You can see that 57% retail traders have taken short position and 42% retail traders have taken long position. Usually we get to see a sharp indifference between the buys and longs, but when there is not much difference between the long and short position, it signifies that indecision is going on in the market. So retail traders are confused regarding the next move of or next direction of gold right now. So there is a sense of confusion among the retail traders if we consider the Forex sentiment meter. But if we look at the COT data, then you can see that number of long contracts is 2,60,000, and whereas number of short contracts is 67,000 only, and this is the non-commercial. So COT data is saying that market is bullish, so the big players are bullish right now. The retail traders are somewhat confused regarding the direction of the market, but COT data is clearly saying that the big players have taken buy position and there is further upside possible on the chart of gold. If we look at the news, then we can see that the news is also somewhat saying the same story. Gold little change, bullish bias remains, market talk. Okay, so overall the market is still bullish if we listen to the experts and if we look at the COT data, and the market is still trading inside the channel, upward channel, so technically also gold is still bullish. But before I proceed, I would like to mention few things here, my dear friends. Most of us are retail traders, our stop losses are not big. Okay, so usually we think that there is a few red candles means there is a trend reversal on the chart. No, my dear friend, these are just correction. Okay, this is also a part of the correction. There was a fall. Okay, there was a big fall of 300-400 pips. Okay, usually we retail traders get panic whenever we see a fall like this, but these are just a part of the correction. If you look at the bigger picture, if you are a swing trader, if you are a positional trader, then the market is still very much bullish. But if you are an intraday trader, if you are a scalper, then you should only consider this particular portion of the market. Try to understand my words here. So it totally depends on what kind of a trader you are. If you are a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, if you take swings, means that your SLs are big, your target is also big. So obviously you need to consider the overall trend of the market, overall market sentiment. What is the overall market sentiment? The market sentiment is bullish because dollar is falling. The big institutions have taken buy position according to COT data. So overall you should be looking for buy positions only. But if you are a day trader, now listen to me carefully. If you are a day trader, then do you think that you should be looking for buy positions only? No. as you are day trader, your positions last for a couple of minutes to hardly 1 or 2 hours. So if you're a day trader, then you should mostly focus on the present trend of the market, and present trend is saying that the market is still not very positive. Overall, the market may be in uptrend, but right now the market is towards the downside. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities. Enough talk about trend and all. Okay, so first of all, okay, we saw a beautiful bounce from our support level of 1983 to 878. We had a support around 1983 to 1978, and market bounce from 1981 level. So there was a perfect bounce. Okay, we almost got more than 100 pips, but I exited after 65 to 70 pips. I was happy. I was happy around, okay, 89, 90. So I exited. But yes, the market bounced beautifully, and right now gold is standing at 1999 level. This is the current market price here. Okay, so the next resistance for the day is obviously around 2021 that I mentioned yesterday. 2021, 2027, those levels are still very much present on the chart. Day traders can look for quick selling opportunity around 2021, 2027 if market reverses. Okay, but today you can see that I have added one more line here. I have added one more line here, and the line is around 2007. Around 2007 to 2008, I have added one more line here, this line. So this line may act as a temporary resistance for scalpers, not for day traders, for scalpers. If you see that on 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, if market reverses after hitting the line, you can look for a sell position, and you can expect to earn around 20, 25, 30 pips, not more than that. Okay, so the first resistance on the chart of gold is around 2007, but sadly the level is not very strong enough, and we also need to respect the overall trend. So as a result, we will only be expecting 20-25 pips only if market reverses. 2007 is only for scalpers. This is not a level after taking a sell that you can forget. And the other resistances are also around 2021, 2027. We also need to act accordingly, but be careful, never disrespect the overall trend of the market. That can cost us a lot. Overall, respecting the overall trend of the market is always important, because you should know who is dominating the market, the buyers or the sellers. Okay, and the support level of yesterday has worked, so therefore we will not be looking for any support again around this area. Okay, today your support will be around the trend line, that is 1974 or 1975, 1974 to 1975. Today I cannot give you the exact number because this is a trend line, and trend lines are the dynamic support. Okay, so right now I'm saying 1974-75 because I'm hoping that if market starts falling from here, then this will be the support. But if you see that market is going up a little bit, and if market comes down to this point, then obviously there will be some changes. So drawing a trend line like this will be very useful for you, so that you can identify the exact level where you can expect the market to take support. Just go to 1 hour time frame, and just if you see that market is respecting the level, market is taking support, you can definitely go for a buy around the level. So the only support for day traders is around the trend line, that will be around 1974-75 level if market starts falling. And the strongest level, in case market shows extreme volatility, market shows a fall, then the extreme support for the day is around 1954 to 1950. This is the ultimate support for day traders in case market shows a big fall in the market. But I don't think so market will be going for a big fall today, because if you look at the structure of the market right now, then we cannot deny that market is still trading inside the channel. And though the market is showing some correction, but what is the pattern? Okay, the pattern is like this zigzag pattern. And as we have already seen that there is no big news coming up for the day, so we can easily expect that there will not be a big red candle that will completely change the direction. Okay, so if market starts falling, then market will start falling like this in a wavy manner. Okay, so Two supports for the day, 1954.50 in case of a big fall, but that level is quite far away. So as a result, our eyes will be on 1974-75 level, around the trend line mostly, if market shows a fall. Apart from that, we do not see any other support on the chart of gold right now. Technically, in case I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And we have few resistance levels on the chart, but as the overall market is bullish, so taking a sell at resistance can be a little bit scary, risky. So go for scalping if you see that market is reversing from our level. Okay, so these are the levels and trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.